Just got this at-home lash lifting kit and I cannot wait to try it and show you guys how it works. They have it set up so cute in this little box. They have all the little tools in here, and then they have each step liquid and the lash lift glue there. I'm really glad they gave you this little booklet. It tells you in the steps what you need to do, and then it also tells you what each of the tools does and how to use it. So here are all the different tools and the pads to go under your eyes, and then the pads to go under the eyelashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this and show you guys how it works and just follow the instructions that it gives me. The eye shields have a size. They'll show you this one's a small. You can see these ones are extra large, and they're all color coded as well. So you want to first stick the eye pads where they're under your eyes, but they're also covering your lower lashes so those aren't getting into the lashes above when you're trying to lift them. And then you just put a little bit of the cleanser onto a napkin and rub it over your eyes so you're getting all the makeup and oils off. I look a little crazy right now, but then you add glue to the back of these and then to the front, and then curl your eyelashes over them. You're going to apply the perming lotion to your eyelashes and using one of these, and then you wait for 8 to 12 minutes to then remove that lotion with a different cotton bud because you get a couple of them. And then the next step is you apply the setting lotion just like you did the perming lotion. You'll wait another 8 to 12 minutes with the setting lotion on, and then you'll use a cleanser, this cleanser over here, to clean off the residue with a cotton bud and take off the silicone shields. And then once you're done with all that, you apply the essence with one of the mascara brushes they give you. And guys, just look at my lashes. I am amazed. I am so pleased with this product, you guys. My eyelashes go straight down, like completely straight down. I always have to curl them and it takes some time in the morning, but now I don't have to do that. Now I can just wake up and they'll just stay curled for so long. So if you guys have been wanting to have some beautifully and naturally curled lashes, this is the set to get. You could also save so much money and no longer get fake eyelashes or have to go somewhere to get your lashes lifted. You can just do it at home with this kit.